Hey guys, really quick before this video starts. In the video, I know I say I'm probably going to play 2 matches, but just so much stuff happened the first game, I really want to show a lot of it. So, as you're seeing right now, this was the second game that I played. Only kill I got. Didn't really last too long. So, I just didn't want to make the video too long for you guys to watch. So, I really hope you guys enjoy. If you have any comments, you can leave any of what I should do next. If you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks guys. I hope you enjoy. What's going on, people? YouTube, this is InaJAMM bringing you another solo game. This is a solo challenge video. Pistols only. I can choose any pistol I want. I can have any healing items I want. Just only pistols. No grenades, no other guns, no nothing. See how long I can last. And let's hopefully I can get some kills for you guys today. I decided to go with the P1911. Definitely the most powerful out of all the pistols besides the revolver, but at least it doesn't take forever to load. I just need to get an extended mag for it. I can have 12 shots. When you're doing these challenges, you kind of want to stay away at the beginning from any populated places to start off with. I mean, this game just started roughly about 4 minutes ago, and there's already only 71 people left. Actually, I'm gonna have to take a car. Look at this. That's like the worst. And the funny part is, at the beginning, the plane didn't even fly through there. Plane came from this area, went like this. So if I go there, I could head there now, but probably people in cars already got there first. Best to let them fight it off. Probably just swim there. I only need a few more things to be fully ready for this. There it is, suppressor for a pistol. Got 2 more things of ammunition. Really looking for that extended mag. I usually do these YouTube challenges with a group of my friends, but something like a pistol challenge is definitely more possible when it's not squad. You know, you and your squad get someone down. 3 other people know where you are. I'm going to take a few cracks at this, maybe see how far I get in this one. Definitely do 1 more, and then if I don't get too far in that one, probably 3. Don't need that, I accidentally picked it up. Well, I'm in the safe zone for now, but 100,000% it's going over there. First time I never get a extended mag for my pistol. I did see someone over here. I kind of want to try to go kill him. I should probably start heading to the zone to get in the zone. Oh, extended mag, thank God. See, here's the risky part. Do I take the extended mag, have the extra, what is it, 5 bullets in my clip, or do I reload faster? These are some of the hard questions. I think I'll keep the extended for now. If I don't feel comfortable with it while I'm in a fight, I'll just switch it real quick. Someone in a boat over there. It's gonna make it pretty dangerous for me to swim now. Great, I'm already being shot at. This guy has really bad aim. Holy God. How much ammo are you going to waste? Oh my God, is this real? Is this real? Oh my God. Sorry, dude. Oh my gosh. Is he still shooting? This guy, man. He's very thirsty for a kill. Worst part is I gotta go over on that side now. This is bad. He's going to be waiting for me. I might have to engage on this man. I could try to sneak around this way. I think he's being shot at now. I gotta make this quick. Ooh, what the heck? Alright, let's make this quick. Got him. Oh wait, what am I not looting him? This is bad. This is really bad. I don't think he saw me. Those are some terrible. That was some terrible shooting, though. Give myself that. Come on, come over here. Oh, no, I'm dead. Got him! Let's go. I need to get over there. I'm gonna die. Let me use the first aid real quick. I think I like it with the extended mag. I needed those extra shots. See, the hard part about the next challenge I want to do, the notebook bag, is that I'm not going to be able to have any healing equipment. So it's basically going to be like, whatever gun I have, if I use all the bullets and I get a kill with it, I got to pick up whatever they got, because it's the only way I'm going to pass this. I don't know how I'm going to be able to swim over there. I know they made swimming a lot faster in this game, but it's still going to be really hard. I don't think the wall's that close to me yet, but alright, let's do this. Alright, so we're up to 2 kills so far, 31 people, well, 30 technically, not including myself. 30 people left. And the circle's only going on level 2. I mean, it's about to go on level 3, but this is a pretty fast game so far. If I can make it a top 10 with just a pistol, I'll be very happy with that. But that's not what we're looking for. We look for wins here. Oh, see, I'm definitely going to take a little bit of damage. It's not going to be that bad, but can't be taking a lot of damage when I'm doing a pistols only challenge. Imagine if it did like amplified damage when you're in the water. That would really suck. I would actually die if it did. Someone died from falling? That's crazy. Alright, we're in the top 28. I was kind of nervous about doing these challenges because it's like they just reset all the KDs for all the game modes, and it's kind of like, man, I don't want to go negative. But I got 2 kills. Oh. Well, this is where I died probably. Oh, I got away, thank God. I have to go for it. I can't just sit there waiting for him. It's alright, this is the fastest route to the safe zone anyway. Keep an eye behind me. He seemed pretty far away. Now that guy was accurate. I don't know what that other guy was doing. Alright, I should be in the clear. Oh no, there he is. Should we wait for him? I don't think he's coming this way. Safe zone's right here just in case. I definitely do not want this guy seeing me early, though. He's always coming right at me. I gotta make this quick. I gotta hit every single shot and just shoot as fast as I can. He's not coming at me anymore. It was better when he was. I gotta run right up to him. Got him. Please tell me you got some healing stuff. Oh, nothing that I didn't have already, though. Well, we got our kills up to 3. I think from this point, I don't need to... I gotta still run through the military base. This is bad. This is really bad for me. Damn it. Put us in a bad situation, guys. This is the part where I really need to camp like a pro. Oh, that's definitely at me. Alright, circle's right in front. I see the guy. Saw him before. I think he's crawling. Oh, that was him. Whoever's already in the safe zone is going to get the freest kill on me. Alright, we're in the safe zone now. Not gonna lie, this is some scary shit, guys. This is some scary shit. I see someone. They're running away from me. Aiming at someone. He does not know I'm here so far. I'm in top 5 now. Top 4. I know I've been camping. I kind of want to get another kill for you guys. I don't want you guys to think I'm getting off too easy. Was that him that just died outside the play zone? He did. That's crazy. I'm so dead. This is where I die now. They're fighting. 1v1. Pistol versus whatever this guy's got. I don't know where he is. one of the scariest things I've ever done. You know what's the worst part? He's probably behind one of those trees. I have no idea where this guy is. We got 50 seconds to find this guy. I don't think he's to my left. I'm gonna start crawling. I need to find him. Oh my god, not lag now. We need to find this guy. 20 seconds. I have no idea where he is. Oh, not this lag now. No, no, no. Oh, please, God, don't lag. Four seconds. Is that him over there? That is him, isn't it? I see him. I don't think he sees me behind here. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, I'm so dead. No! Oh, I thought that was in the safe zone. 3 kills, second place. Man, I really wanted that win.